The former president of Senate used a very strong word to depict Adams Oshomole's character in the Nigerian politics, especially this sentence here. I'm going to read. I have always known that a day like this would come when his masquerade would dance naked in the market. That's a very tough one. Very tough one. Hello everyone. My name is Nekme Obasogie. This news just came in this evening. It's about the former president of Senate, Bukola Saraki, welcomes Obaseki to PDP, says Oshomole's masquerade will dance naked in market. Very interesting, a strong word used to depict the former national chairman of the All Progressive Congress, Adams Oshomole. Going further, the former Senate president, Dr. Bukola Saraki, on Friday welcomed Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki into the People's Democratic Party (PDP) and predicted the political downfall of a suspended All Progressive Congress national chairman Adams Oshomole. Earlier on Friday, Obaseki announced he was now a card-carrying member of the PDP after leaving the APC. In a statement signed by his spokesman, Yusuf, Saraki thanked Obaseki's colleagues and PDP governors for how they managed the governor's transition into the party by not just unilaterally taking decisions without the input of the leaders of the party in Edo State. According to Bukola Saraki, that is why my appeal will at this point go to all of us, the leaders and stakeholders who gave assurances that the agreement will be honored. We need to ensure that the NWC of our party plays its own supervisory role by making sure that those agreements entered into by the governor and the local chapter should be kept, particularly since I am very sure they are all lawful and in the interest of peace and development of the state, Saraki added. That is only way to keep our integrity intact. On Oshomole, Saraki said he was forced to comment because of his former constant verbal attacks directed at him. At this point, it will be odd if I fail to comment on the situation that led to the change of party by Governor Obaseki, he said. While I have kept my cool and ignore all the verbal attacks directed at me by the suspended chairman of All Progressive Congress, APC, Mr. Adams Oshomole, I have always known that a day like this would come when his masquerade will dance naked in the market. His masquerade will dance naked in the market. That is a strong word used to depict the former chairman of national chairman of APC, Adams Oshomole. So going further, the truth is always constant, and no matter how far falsehood travels, the truth will catch up with it one day. Oshomole can fool people for a long time, but he cannot fool the people all the time. What is happening to him now is a moment of truth. The same man who was proclaiming the end of the political career of some other people is now about to meet his Waterloo. Oh, okay. He has continued to use his mouth to divide his party and believed there is a lesson for all politicians to learn from the fate of the suspended APC chairman. No autocrats can successfully pretend to be a Democrat. The true character of a man will come out one day, he said. According to his spokesman, Saraki further stated that all lovers of democracy should be interested in the emergency of a healthy and strong party system and organization which would provide viable platform for people to aspire and provide quality leadership in the country. Okay. The former president of Senate used a very strong word to depict Adams Oshomole's character in the Nigerian politics, especially this sentence here. I'm going to read. I have always known that a day like this would come when his masquerade would dance naked in the market. That's a very tough one. Very tough one. Where depicted, Adams Oshiomhole abused people verbally all the time. The same thing he did to Isaiah Iyamu in the past. That those negative comments he made about Isaiah Iyamu, people are using it against him today. And it's very difficult for them to erase those negative comments. Especially that the videos are flying around social media these days. It can never be erased. So Adams Oshiomhole deserves whatever he's experiencing today. Since his suspension from APC, I've never seen anybody protesting against his suspension. But when Governor Obaseki was disqualified last week, people took to the street to protest against the unjust disqualification of the governor. But who is protesting in favor of Adams Oshiomhole right now? Nobody. Nobody. It's good to be good in this world, honestly. So that's the thing. That's all for today, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye for now.
Nebo TV is available for sponsorship. Advertise your business, organization, and products on Nebo TV. Contact our representative in Canada and Nigeria with the phone numbers and email address on the screen.